Hi, I'm Neil Fu from Malaysia, or maybe from the region of Southeast Asia. So today we're going to share the development of Southeast Asia or even in Asia. That in general, I would say that there was a survey by PwC saying that for 2021, there will be a very dynamic outlook of the CEOs of the corporate, saying that it will be a good year. There will be a year of rebound from the low tide or low season of 2020. And based on the research that statistics saying 76% of the interviewed CEO would look forward 2021 as a very positive growth of the year in terms of the global perspective, and especially in terms of the American corporate, that they are ahead of China. And so same as in Southeast Asia, most of the corporates or even like the housing developers, they have indicated that this will be the year of rebounds, especially second half of the year when the people get vaccinated. With all the Southeast Asia governments, that they have the programs to be aggressively to get all the people to be vaccinated. And now we can see countries like Malaysia, they have loosening the control, the movement control of the day-to-day activities, and also the housing developers have adjusted their price indication for their houses, their commercials, buildings, that they have had the demands. In fact, last year 2020, they have the demands from the buyers. Only thing is the end financing from the bank, there was a big control. And now I think the bank has seen all this development, that people are back to the market, they have the earning, and they are ready to buy and to consume. In terms of the capital market in Southeast Asia, first about Asia, that last year 2020, all the capital market, the IPO markets has done well, has done well. And in terms of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, that the statistic has said that most of the companies, they have 30 to 50% of profit upturning, 30 to 50%. If take away the glove industry, they will be in average, they will be profit upsurge of 30% for 2020, and 2021 they will be even a much better year. And a lot of monies, or the hot money, are coming into Asia, especially to China, India, and basically for Southeast Asia are very much borne by all the local governments, that they have a good reserve, strong reserve, like Singapore, Thailand, even like Vietnam. So now the money that from the QE QE scheme from America, I think they are a lot of monies in the capital market. So they also have the outflow to Asia, as said, to China, to India, and of course we hope that more money will come into Southeast Asia, like Malaysia, that Malaysia as a hub of Southeast Asia, that we expect more activities here in terms of the manufacturing base, or in terms of the digitalized economy transformation, that have been greatly progressed last year, especially go online, and every company try to digitalize their marketplace. And with Malaysia also, yesterday there was an announcement by the Ministry of Finance, saying that Malaysia would continue the effort to move from the middle income economy to the high income economy, that by 2024 that Malaysia try to achieve to become the high-income nation, right? And that is the announcement by the Ministry of Finance yesterday. And of course, Malaysia also one of the model of a Southeast Asia economy that they need to do a big restructuring of the economic structure, going into long-term growth, to glide with the high population of 600 million of Southeast Asia, and also to increase the competitiveness rather than to go for the low-value manufacturing base that say like in Malaysia rely too much on the foreign labor that are very much on the labor intensive. But last year there was the big problem of these disease that have been widespread in among the foreign labor here, because they have a very low condition of accommodation here. So it has made the industry and the corporate, even the authority, to rethink, to move the activities, the economic activities, the company production based on automation and also digitalization. So there is one of the structure that got to be reformed in Southeast Asia or in Malaysia, that have to modernize the company. And of course, in terms of the capital market, that people are learning from the IPO markets. And also, as I'm also sharing a lot of NASDAQ information, and also SPAC that can go listed in NASDAQ on the capital market. And also Hong Kong has also indicated that they are considering SPAC counters to be listed in Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So I have been advocating and sharing the information of SPAC. Just like Malaysia, the e-hailing company by the name of Grab, one of the greatest e-hailing platform in Southeast Asia, that a few days ago they have announced they also would work with the SPAC shell company to list the gigantic platform operator of Southeast Asia onto NASDAQ with their $40 billion USD valuation. So these are the things that for Southeast Asia, even for Malaysia, that the capital mechanism is one of the important ways of to improve the economy. And so even like the Top Glove, the manufacturers is planning their exercise for Hong Kong Stock Exchange listing, IPO listing, in which that could be a bit slow, but rather than slow, but they have to do something in a bigger stock exchange platform. So SPAC, also the other interesting things that can be explored by the regional players. And also last week with Kupang, maybe we pronounce it Kupang. Kupang is kind of Asia Amazon, that they have gone listed with 100 billion USD valuation. So that is very encouraging ways of moving forwards with the capital market. And of course, in terms of the electric vehicle, EV, there is a big movement here, especially in China. And also some of the Southeast Asia operators, like they are going into lithium battery manufacturing, as Southeast Asia are known for all the minerals and also natural resources. And some of the national car operators in Southeast Asia also interested to have a kind of JV, could be from the West or could be from China, to develop the future cars for the industry. And also last week I put in my articles in the Mandarin version that there are a few players to JV with the Southeast Asia operator in terms of the EV electric vehicle movement. And also they are moving down the chain of supply, or supply chains, that with a smaller little car will be more affordable by the Southeast Asia consumer markets, rather than always we think about Tesla that easily cost for, say, 1 million ringgit in Southeast Asia, or 250,000 USD, but now with maybe 30k, $30,000, even $20,000, that can own an EV car for a small liter future cars. So this would be a dynamic market for the young millennial market, that they will buy in, about this concept car for this moment, but in future would be day-to-day cars. So these are the development of the latest of the week, as I shared with the development of Southeast Asia, as far as to link with the Nasdaq and even the Wall Street knowledge, so that Southeast Asia, they would have new ideas and new concept to develop their companies, their industries, so that they are not stay behind from the capital market. All right, good for this moment, and see you the next time. Bye.